Good morning! It's Melody Lane here. You're never gonna believe it. It is morning. It's Wednesday morning, the day before Thanksgiving, and I want to wish you all a very, very happy Thanksgiving. I probably won't have another video for tomorrow because I've been so busy, and the prizes for my banner have not gone out yet, and they're not going to go out today. I thought I could get them out today. I usually don't work on Wednesdays, but I do because tomorrow's Thanksgiving, and tomorrow I'm going to my sister's all day. My niece won this big basket of duct tape. They had a special Grandparents' Day, and they could buy tickets to win these baskets. You go and put the tickets in which baskets you want. She put most of hers in the basket with the duct tape, and she won. So she wants Aunt Melody to come visit her and show her how to make some things. So I'm going to. So I'm going to go early on Thanksgiving to help her with that. And I think I'm going to bring my video camera and see if maybe we can do a tutorial on the duct tape while we're there at my sister's. Oh, and I did take a little video clip of the snowflakes inside. We have not decorated totally for the salon. We just started. So here's a little clip of our snowflakes. Look! We got the snowflakes hanging. We're not totally done with the decorations. We just put up the snowflakes and then this garland around our mirrors, and we hung a few snowflakes from that.
So you're moving into a two-bedroom?
Isn't that cute? Oh, and we have a deer. We're going to do more deer. Okay, and then after work, I went to Hobby Lobby. Surprise! It's on the way home. So I stopped. Well, I wanted to get my niece some things to cut the duct tape. I wanted to get her a cutting board and stuff so she could do that, so we can make cool stuff. Oh, so I took a little clip of Hobby Lobby. They have these huge giant flowers, and every time I'm in there I think I should record those. And you guys really like it when I record at the store, so I did, even though people were giving me strange looks. I did it for you guys. So here's a clip. Look at these huge flowers. Look at my hand. That's how big these are. They're huge. They're $50. Look at these. These are $40. And these are $16. I think I have some like these, but I got mine from Michael's on clearance. I only paid $3. And these are $16. These are $50. They're so big. %50 off. These are really pretty. Some arrangements already made. Seems like the whole store is 50% off. It wasn't, but all their paper was 50% off. Everything from the Paper Studio was 50% off. Like everything made by the Paper Studio was 50% off. They had so much on sale. They had all their holiday mesh on sale, which they have so many colors of their mesh, and it's over in their Christmas department. And so I got some more white. It's in the other room. It's just a big long thing of white mesh that I'm going to use to make my snowman thing if I have time. I wish I had a clone of me. And I want to tell you about this book I got. One of my clients is an author of this book, and she was telling me about this book while I was coloring her hair, and it sounded really awesome. So I'm buying it for my nephew for Christmas, but I'm going to give it to him on Thanksgiving instead of Christmas because I want him to read it. Because I started to read it, and I couldn't put it down. But now I think I'm going to have to buy another one so I can have one. And she signed it for him. That was so nice. It's called Egenoids. Egenoids. I think that's how you say it. Egenoids. It's like for it's like for young teenagers or preteens to young teenagers. It's like a junior novel. There's like gonna be a series of like 12 of them. This is that first one, and the second one has been published. I started reading it and I was like, it reads so easy. It's so nice. It's the kid inside me that loves this book. it is really a good book. It's about a little boy and his grandpa, and then it's just so awesome. Like, I could not believe how much I loved this book. I thought Connor would love it, but I love it too. It's a really cool book. And she signed it. So I'm going to leave you some links in the description to the website, and I'll do another book review on my craft channel about this book. It's about a little boy who just turned 10 years old, and it's such a nice book. Oh, and the best thing about the book, it's educational. The series teaches math, science, and history. No, the kids don't know they're learning. She lives in my hometown where I was born, in Bourbonnais, Illinois. It's like an adventure fantasy book. I kind of don't want to give it to him until I'm done reading it. But it's a used book. But I'm going to give it to him, and maybe I'll get me another book. Yeah, I want another book. I just want to wish you guys a happy Thanksgiving. Oh, don't forget, Black Friday, I'm doing a live video haul. Kim from Kimmo Creations is also in it, and Noelle Herzig, and Smarty, I forgot her name. It's Carla is her real name. And Smarty Pants? I don't know. She's in the comments below probably. Say something. You're going to be there too. And if anyone else is shopping on Black Friday and you want to be in our live Google Hangout, let me know and I can send you an invite. And everyone else is welcome to come, and you can chat with us and ask us questions or say what you want live on the video. And then later the video will be able to see like all my other videos. So that's going to be fun. It's going to be 3 o'clock Central Time. So I think that's, what's that, 4 o'clock Eastern Time and 1 o'clock Pacific Time? Correct me if I'm wrong. And you guys should read all the comments. You guys give such great comments, and sometimes you guys give advice in the comments. So come back to the video and read the comments and see what other people are saying. Because you guys are also smart and creative. You are also helpful, and I really love you all. Please have a safe and happy Thanksgiving with your families. Have fun shopping if you're going to shop. All right, I love you guys. I will see you Friday, maybe. I'm not sure if I'm going to do on Friday because of the live haul, and I'll be shopping. So I'm not sure when I'm going to do another vlog. I'll try to do it as soon as I can. I'm going to try to record while I'm shopping also. Okay? So I'll see you guys. Love you. Bye.